stuck here. There's really no point. This might be a good campground. The cops won't bother me. Just took my first crash here. Still an amazing day. So I noticed that my kitchen ceiling paint was flaking off. So instead of painting it over, I decided that I would take a paint scraper and scrape off all the old paint and start over. So you can see here, I'm basically just removing all of it. And it's coming out pretty easy, except some of the patches that you see where I dug in a little bit too deep into the drywall. And basically I have to repatch it using the drywall compound. The corners are a little bit harder, but the paint comes out really easily. I thought it might be harder. So I'm not really sure why the paint flaked off in the beginning, because when I bought the house I did put new paint on. So I'm hoping there's no like moisture problem, but it doesn't seem to be. I think maybe the ceiling before I painted was very, very dirty with grease or something like that, and it didn't hold the paint. But I'm gonna apply a patch of drywall compound, and then I'm basically just gonna repaint it.